Oh, we got our Dark Souls. Yeah.
Hey, someone lit Heart of Skyrim on fire.
Yeah.
Good. It's been years.
Full Valhalla!
Oh, let me see the aftermath of the battle.
Oh, please. They could not have carved that many headstones that quickly.
Now they
Are you kidding
prepared
me?
them.
They could have gotten plenty
They
of
were
certs
ready
to do
for
it for them.
They were ready
Yeah.
for it.
Oh, it's the main character again.
Yeah, he looks like he's seen some shit.
He looks like he's having an inner monologue right now.
Looks like he's having a Vietnam flashback.
That's the expression I see on my face every morning, though.
That's what happens when you go to work at your job. I'm sorry.
Look, you're not wrong.
I mean,